Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be talking about the 3 apps that I find extremely useful in the iOS system on my iPhone mini or on my iPad or on my Mac OS. So let's go. So the number one app would be Anki app, and this is an app that I have literally been using since I started preparing for my postgraduate exams that were my licensing exam here in the US as a pharmacist. So the app is structured in a beautiful way and it lets you put active recall and spaced repetition in action in the finest way possible. So whatever info I want to remember, I just put it in the form of flashcards in the Anki app, and then the algorithm tracks your results and shows you the responses or the respective cards within a period of days, minutes, or sometimes weeks. So whatever flashcard I'm viewing at the moment, I can mark it as fail, hard, good, and easy, and then based on my response, if I mark something as hard, it's going to show me the same thing in like a couple of minutes maybe, and if I mark something as easy, it will show me the same card within a matter of days. So I can put spaced repetition and active recall in the finest way possible, and this is an app that has saved me tons and tons of time, because I would literally put down all my notes and all the important information that I needed to remember about drugs and about specific mechanism of action in FPGE and also in Naplix, and I would just literally put down everything in the form of flashcards in the Anki app. And no, they're not sponsoring this video, I'm not big enough right now, but this is an app that has saved me tons and tons of time and energy, and I absolutely love it. And the second app would be Notability, and this is an app that I absolutely love, and I can spend like hours and hours talking about this one. It has been my go-to app ever since I stopped taking notes on pencil and paper and like started taking notes digitally. But this app has so many features that can help a person who's like in school maybe, or they're taking lectures or trying to record lectures. You can even record lectures and then put those voice notes within your notes. I use this for annotating my notes. I use this for taking screenshots of the slides and then combining everything down so I can have like all my notes in one place. I actually used to take pictures of my books, and then I used to put them all together in the Notability app, and then I used to annotate when I was pregnant with my first son, and I was like 38 weeks and I was studying for this postgraduate exam. So because I just couldn't lift up those humongous books and like study at the same time while laying down on bed, I would just take pictures of the pages from the book, and I would put those pictures in my notes in Notability, and then I would easily annotate while laying down on bed. I believe if you're somebody who's in school, it's going to serve you in ways more than it has served me, because I have been using this to I don't have any professor over here who's teaching me, so I can go ahead and record those lectures. But back in school, there used to be professors who were just giving out their lectures, and we were just trying to jot down every single piece of information that's coming out of their mouth should be on the piece of paper that's in our hands. But apps like these, and especially Notability, has made things so easier that students in today's age can absolutely benefit from them in so many ways. Lastly, Apple Notes. I haven't seen an Apple user who's into note-taking and everything who doesn't love Apple Notes. It's so simple and it has such a minimalist design that I absolutely fell in love with it ever since I started using it the first time. So I usually use Apple Notes to jot down ideas for my YouTube videos and make list of my grocery shopping and stuff like that. I normally use it for studying, other than if I'm taking notes for my FPGE masterclass. And also, if you still haven't signed up, make sure you follow the link in the description box down below. So these were the 3 apps on my iOS system, or on my iPhone, or on my iPad, or my Mac OS that has made my life so much easier and has made studying so effortless. If this video provided you any value, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And